Howdy crew. Got the original FCX18 K10 all renoed. Took off the WPL portal axles. Got a set of metal FMS portals, carbon steel gears. That's a WPL carbon steel front drive shaft. That's a UTB18 carbon steel long rear drive shaft. Got the big 76 millimeter tires on 1.0s. Chassis mounted servo. Gonna upgrade that servo soon, and we're gonna make it brushless soon. It's about a 1/4 inch longer wheelbase than the stock FCX18. I don't know if I can show you that here. Not sure how well that comes out on camera. About the same, very close. Gonna go crawl this one. Do a video on this one soon as well. It's brushless, and I got the high gear transmission issue fixed. So now it rips and goes fast, no problem. Gonna rock crawl this one soon too. But wanted to see how this one does on the rocks with the new narrow stance. I think it looks better than it did before. It was just too wide, I thought, with the portal axles. Just a little bit too wonky, ridiculous looking. Plus the plastic WPL portals, they didn't spin that smoothly. So. Not very fast, but it works. That's high gear. Stock motor. Going through some really thick grass. Now it's done. Impressive. That's those tall tires. Alright, let's go hit the rocks. Oh. That was weird. It came out of gear right there. Oh, it's broken. Huh. Maybe there's something in the servo. Hold, please. Alright, I think there was just a little piece of grass stuck in the shift servo. Oh, we're back, baby. Definitely going to be more tip prone than it was before. steering servo linkage is not holding up very well. I need to work on that. But I'm getting a much stronger servo here soon. I'm going to chassis mount that instead of this stock servo. And when I do that, I'm going to address the linkage issue as well. These tires just really look a little ridiculous on this truck, a little too big. But wow, does it crawl really pretty good. Oh, one-handed, lacking on the control there. Really hard to manage this transmitter one-handed without a little nub. I need to add a nub. But since I'm going brushless, I probably won't even be on this transmitter very much longer. The all-in-one system is a darn bummer, because I would like this transmitter, the small version, if I just added a steering nub to it. And I just can't do brushless with the all-in-one. Man, pretty impressive. Get out of here. Are we? I'm gonna try to creep out of that now. We're gonna get all jammed up. Slammed up and jammed up. denied at the summit. Not look or sound good. Seem to all still be operating. Oh, I meant to go forward, not backward. I had it. What was I doing? No. I blew it again. Easy man's way out. Summit does not want to give it up. Oh, I got a broken link. That'll do it, folks. Looks like it just came unscrewed. All right. We will be denied the summit today. Hope you enjoyed. Yep, I just need a little Loctite right in there. It slipped off, came unscrewed. Hope you enjoyed. Ciao. God bless you all.